Hello guys, in the previous video we have installed MAMP server, and in this video we will install WordPress. We will install WordPress from wordpress.org. We will click on get WordPress, then we will click on download WordPress. It will take few minutes. The zip file of WordPress is downloaded. We will open the zip file of the WordPress and extract the zip file we have previously downloaded. We will have to copy the WordPress folder to our hdocs inside our MAMP folder. Inside our MAMP folder, hdocs, we will copy WordPress folder here. We will start our MAMP server. Instead of MAMP, we will write WordPress. We will choose the installation language, then click on continue. We have to provide the username and password of database and database name and database host. We will open MAMP server homepage to see this data. Host name is localhost and the port is 8889 and the username and password is root and root. Database name is WordPress Click on submit, then run the installation. We will choose a title for our website, WordPress website. We will choose a username to access our WordPress admin, a password to our user, abc123, confirm use weak password, and email and discourage search engines, and click on install WordPress. We will log in with the username and password we have created. Click on login. We will enter the username and password. Choose remember me and click on login. Now that is the dashboard of our WordPress, and we have successfully installed WordPress.